Hi, this video is about how to transform this straight side desk into this one on the right in System Cabinet module. So first we're going to click into this System Cabinet module, select Study Desk. I'm going to use this straight side desk. Next I'm going to press B on the keyboard to enter into board selection mode. And then I right click on the first panel and select point to edit panel. We have to delete the existing panel design first and then we create a new one. Okay, this is actually a rotated view of the panel and you need to see the panel from the left. So I'm gonna draw this shape now. Please note that you may input a size here when you are drawing. For example, if you want the line to be 200, you can just input 200 here and press enter. Click on save when you are done and you should see the new design here instantly. Then click the back button to exit. Now you have the first panel done. Before we proceed to the next panel, let's change the depth of the side panel to be the same as the top panel, which is 600. For the next panel, we can just press Ctrl V to copy a new one. To move it to the exact location, we can first check on the location of the original panel first, which is 1400, and delete it. Then we change it accordingly. Now we are done.